Hello and welcome back to Gyno Fit Living. I'm Dr. Ritisha, obstetrician and gynecologist. And today I'm going to be discussing a very common concern which each and every girl must have faced some or the other times in their lives, and that is vaginal infections. So today I'm going to be helping you with some practical tips to keep those pesky infections at bay and maintain a good vaginal health. So without further ado, let's start the video. So first is to maintain a proper hygiene. For that you need to wash the genital area with a mild fragrance-free soap and water daily, but only from the outside. The vagina doesn't need cleaning from the inside. It is a self-cleaning organ. In fact, if you put any kind of cleanser or a wash inside the vagina, you are likely to disturb the good bacteria inside, and it will actually make you more prone to getting a vaginal infection. So sorry to all those companies who sell them, but you don't need a separate vaginal wash or a douche for cleaning it from the inside. If you are using it, you might clean the outer part with it, that is the vulva, but not the inside. So just keep that in mind. Next is to use a proper wiping technique. After using the restroom, always remember to wipe from the front to the back, as this will prevent the entry of harmful bacteria from the anus into your vagina, which can cause infection. So always remember front to back. Okay, so I know the tempt to buy all those sexy lingerie which are available in the market. But remember one thing, that they are made from fabrics like nylon or polyester, which is an irritant for the skin down there. And it is not preferable to wear it all the time. So you can wear it for a few hours, maybe for a special occasion. But at other times, opt for breathable underwear, which is made from natural fabrics like cotton. Also remember that you should not wear tight-fitting clothing, as it can create a moist environment down there, which is perfect for the growth of bacteria and yeast, making you more vulnerable to getting those pesky infections. Another pro tip, you don't need to wear a panty at night, just let your lady parts breathe and get some air while you sleep. Practice safe sex using condoms, as apart from birth control, condoms can help you prevent STIs, which are sexually transmitted infections like syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, HIV, etc. Also, condoms are made of different materials like latex, polyurethane, and others. So if you feel you are allergic to one material, like you are allergic to latex, like you get swelling, redness, or itching after using it, try a condom with a different brand made from a different material, and I'm sure it will work out for you. Having a balanced diet and good hydration, apart from improving your overall body health, it can improve your vaginal health too. So try to include foods rich in probiotics like yogurt, curd, etc. to promote the growth of good bacteria in your vagina and improving your overall vaginal health. Also, don't forget to drink up on your H2O. So there are a host of menstrual products available in the market like pads, tampons, menstrual cups, etc. But whichever method you choose, the important thing to remember is to change your pads and tampons every 3 to 4 hours to prevent prolonged exposure to the bacteria down there. Also remember to sterilize your menstrual cups after each use and empty them frequently. Choose fragrance-free and chemical-free menstrual products to avoid the irritants down. Stay away from scented products like powders, sprays, wipes, etc. as they can disturb the natural pH balance down there. It can irritate your skin and make you more prone to getting an infection. Also remember that your vagina is not supposed to smell like flowers. So don't try and make it smell good. Just keep it clean, follow my tips, and you will be fine. Regular visits to your gynaec for checkups and screenings like pap smear is really important, especially after you become sexually active. So book your gynae checkup today. We've all heard that stress causes this, stress causes that, but did you know that stress can actually weaken the immune system, making you more vulnerable to infections as well? So catch up on your hobbies like sports, music, yoga, meditation, whatever keeps your mind off things, and beat that stress. Remember that prevention is the key. So take charge of your vaginal health today by adopting these habits, And don't forget to visit your gynaec if you have any concerns. If you like this video, be sure to like it and hit the subscribe button for more such content on women's health and gynaecology. Until next time, this is Dr. Riddhi Shah signing off. Take care and stay healthy. Bye.